Welcome back to another Stage 2 Threads video. Today we've got an awesome surprise here. If you listen to our first podcast, you might know what's going on. Sean, go ahead and tell them what we're doing today.
Yeah, so if you listen to that first podcast, we went to SEMA. We talked about our experience at SEMA. One of those experiences was meeting an awesome company called Diamond ProTech. And they have sent us this package here with some of their products. They're kind of to send us out to try. So we're going to do an unboxing for you guys, and let's see what they sent us.
Let's do it. So here next to us we have the Diamond ProTech glass kit. Came really well packaged. Sean, break down what comes in this kit for us.
Yeah, so it comes in this kit, starting off with this biggest box here. This is going to be the Diamond Glass Prep that you're going to use very first, which will get the glass ready to get the diamond glass coating itself. It also comes with an applicator pad to put that coating on. They also send 2 pairs of gloves, a large and an extra large.
Perfect for us.
Yeah.
I use a large.
I use extra large for sure. And then over there on your side by you is some Microsoft cloths.
So let me just read some of the things here on the box. You guys kind of know what it's for, how much it does, things like that. It's just labeled here real nicely. 12-month protection coverage for 2 to 3 mid-size cars.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, so if you've got like couple of cars you want to use this on, yours and your wife's, or maybe you have 3 cars and your wife doesn't have one.
Yeah, because this kit cost... Well, your wife doesn't have one because yours doesn't have one. I almost skipped over that, but I did not. This kit costs like, what was it, $79 on their website or something like that?
Yeah, I'll put up the price here on the screen for what it's priced currently. So to get 3 cars out of that, I feel like it's a really good deal.
Super good deal. If you want a slightly better deal, we actually have a QR or
a link,
affiliate link. Sorry, affiliate link that they are kind enough to give us as a code. So if you go to Diamond ProTech and order some of this and use Stage 2 Threads 10, or you can follow the link, you'll get 10% off. So
just not better.
Yeah, everybody likes money off. So
yeah. So it's a effortless single layer application. which is great. Smooth finish. Wipers glide effortlessly. Ooh, that's kind of a mouthful for me today. And it improves visibility. Keeps it clear.
Yeah.
So then it helps with scratch resistant, corrosion and oxidant resistant, enhanced water beading, which is just a cool looking effect.
Yeah.
But it also helps keep the water off the glass so you don't get all those water marks.
Yeah, water spots. Yeah.
Oleophobic and dirt repelling, tree sap and bird dropping resistant, chemical resistant, and diamond armored.
Protected, yeah.
Yeah. Really nice box it came in.
Yeah. Has the instructions here on a QR code on the side. I watched this video already when we talked to them and stuff. So very good instructions. Very clear, very detailed.
Yeah, nice video instructions and just
Short,
really
sweet.
simple and awesome. We'll probably put a link to that video just down below. So if you're watching this, or maybe you can figure out how to put it up in the corner, that would be cool.
Yeah.
And you can go and watch that video, how to easily install it. And we'll also install it ourselves here soon. So
Yeah.
pay attention for a future video where we're going to break down how easy it is to use and also how great it is.
Yeah.
We'll be doing a couple different tests to really try to,
That's how it works.
really break down how effective it is.
Yeah.
So stay tuned.
Yeah.
Let's get the next kit.
Yeah, let's check out the next one. All right, so here in front of us, we've got the diamond leather kit. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. What do we got, James?
Yeah, so it comes with a few different things here. We're starting with the Diamond Body Prep, which comes in a lot of their different kits. The Diamond Leather, which will be the coating for the actual leather seats, or if you have other genuine leather in the car. Here we have the applicator pad, pair of gloves. Also, it comes with large and extra large.
Just like the other one. Yeah.
And then you got yourself a nice microfiber towel. So comes with just a little bit of everything that you need.
Yeah. So on the box here, some of the things that this does for interior leather of your vehicle is you get 12-month protection. The coverage is one mid-sized car interior. Oil, grease, and water repellent. Stain and UV protection. Smooth matte finish. On the back here, we've got that it's scratch resistant, corrosion, and oxidation resistant. Enhanced water beading, oleophobic and dirt repelling, tree sap and bird dropping resistant, chemical resistant, and diamond armored. So it's going to be really great coating for the interior leather of your vehicle. It does work with all kinds of leather, actually. Remember they were telling us that. So it will work with pleather and some of the other leathers and stuff like that, and then genuine leather as well.
Yeah, the only one they said not to apply it on that, I remember, is unfinished leather.
Right. Yeah.
Because it'll just absorb into it. But anything that's been a finished leather or a fake leather, this would work great on.
Yeah. So I actually do have a truck with some very nice leather seats that are in some major need of something like this. So we're going to go ahead and be applying that in a future video. So those will probably be two separate videos. We'll probably do one about the glass kit, one about this kit. Maybe they'll be together. We don't really know yet. Just kind of looking at, but
probably two videos, one for each, to really give an in-depth detail of how well they both work.
Yeah, so we'll get to see how this performs as well. So excited to try these out.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, thanks for going through this unboxing with us. We're really excited to try out these products. We're excited to see what they can do. We have some really cool ideas planned for them. And like we said, we're grateful for Diamond ProTech. They've been super nice to work with so far, especially for us, as we're a much smaller channel. We're just starting. So it was really nice of them even to send this out to us. And then on top of that, to give us that code to get you guys a discount and everything like that. That's super awesome, and we're really excited to try these out. Not only did they send us each one of these to try out, So James is going to try out the glass one. I'm going to try out the leather one. They also sent us a third kit. So what's up with this one, James?
Yeah, this is the best kit here. It is also just a diamond glass kit, but they sent it to us to team up with them on giving one of the kits away. So we'll be giving a post to our Instagram here shortly, explaining what you need to do to enter for the giveaway for this kit. It was super awesome of them to send us this kit to give away to somebody. You'll be able to watch in our future videos how it works, how to apply it, and then have a chance to win one yourself.
Yeah.
Give you a great advantage. We went with the glass for the giveaway because it's the most universal, I felt like.
For sure.
And I feel like it's supposed to help with like your windshield frosting over.
It can, yeah.
Things like that.
In Utah, for us, that's a big deal.
Yeah,
that's
was
a
huge.
really cool thing.
And so I know a lot of our followers are here in Utah, and they would appreciate that just as much as we would. Because so many people, if it helps even slightly with that,
Yeah,
like, that would be huge.
would be really cool. So we're gonna be trying that out with this kit,
Yeah.
and then we'll be giving this one away to one of you guys on Instagram.
Yeah.
So
Go check out our Instagram. The link's always down in the description for our Instagram. And thank you guys for watching another Stage 2 Threads video. Thank you again to Diamond ProTech. Go ahead and check out the link if you're interested in any of these products or any of their other products.
yeah, they have a lot. They have several other products to pick from for all kinds of things to protect your vehicle. So.
Interior, exterior. I think there was a bike one. A real big lineup. It's not a ceramic coating.
Right.
So
We'll talk more about that when we go to use them. We'll give you more of a background. And there's lots of videos. Maybe not lots, but I found a couple of really good videos on this and how it is. A lot of them made by them as well.
Yeah.
Explaining what it is. So
it's a very unique product out in the market right now. So
attracted us to it.
go ahead, check out the link below. Even if you don't want to buy one right now, just go check them out. Great products, great people to work with. We're super excited.
Yeah, and then make sure you like and subscribe. Maybe even hit the little bell so that when we are using these on our own vehicles, you can get that notification for those vehicles, for those videos.
And thank you for watching.
Yeah, see you in the next one.